My name is Catalina and I'm here again in my craft room. Today a little bit earlier than usual. So I already posted a tutorial about how I was designing and cutting some green trees, and so now I want to show you how I am turning these little trees into a nice project. So I bought this beautiful towel from the store. I washed it. I'm just going to fold it in 3 equal parts. I have this cute design here and I want to appliqué it on this, but I want to put first this little tree and then the deer. First I have this heat and bound and I'm gonna iron my fabric on. So they're gonna be pretty much like this. So I'm gonna just cut a little piece of this. Okay. I'm gonna iron this one on the back of the fabric. And then I need another one for the little box. Okay. I have other designs that I'm gonna use. I have a deer, I have a bear and an owl. These are all part of a panel. It was from Moda fabrics and was called May Your Days Be Merry and Bright. Yeah, and it was a big panel like this. I have to iron those. And no steam, so we should turn the steam off. And this peels off. Like this. You see it's a little bit shiny. That's it. Okay, and now I need to cut around this shape. So look how cute this is. It's cute, I like it. So I'm gonna iron both of them together. Okay, so they're stuck to this and I'm gonna take them to the sewing machine and I'm gonna sew them around with satin stitch. Yeah, so this is my towel, one of the 3 towels. I think it looks cute. It looks better than just imagine it was like this. So now it has some cute design on it. So I used white thread for the back and light brown for the front. So this is one, This is the other. And this is the third. I think they're very cute and they make nice presents. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is a part 2 of another tutorial. This time should be posted, where I showed how I'm designing the tree and how I cut it with the Cricut machine.